Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make money with Teespring Print on Demand. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So for us to begin, what you can do here is that you can actually go directly to the website, that's teespring.com, and this is what you will be routed to. Here you can browse on what the Teespring website is about, or the platform itself, where it's simply creating a design for a specific product that you want the design to be placed on, and it will only be printed out once there will be someone purchasing that specific product. So first thing you can do is sign up. For you to create your own Teespring account, you can start with inputting what name or brand you want to have into your account, your email address, and your password. Or you can also sign up using your Facebook or your Google or YouTube account as well. So just fill out all those informations here. Then once done, you just need to click on signed up, or you can just use your Google account instead. So here, just need to click on it. Wait for it to load, and there you have it. This is the homepage or your dashboard for your Teespring account. Here you can create products, you can edit your store, and you can also run your sales as well here. So for you to be able to create your product, what you can do is click on create product here on the quick actions, or just simply go to the blue button on the upper left corner and click on create product. Once you click on it, you'll be routed into this page where what will welcome you are the bestseller products or best-selling products that you can input or put your designs as well. So you can have those designs into the trending categories or into the new products that are being sold here. So here I'll just choose the slides for creating a product here in Teespring. So you can click on that specific design. So if you haven't created any designs yet for you to place into your Teespring account or products, what you can do is you can actually simply edit designs or create your own designs on Canva. Just go to canva.com, where it's completely for free, but there are a few elements or designs that you can only use if you will use Canva Pro, but you can still definitely use its features even though you're just on the basic plan as well. So here you have canva.com. This is a editing platform where you can definitely create designs for your own products, like t-shirt designs, or even just design templates for your own product, like or universal design products for you to use. So here, once you click on your slides or that specific product that you want to input your designs into, what you can do is you can also look for or research on what are the trending designs or the trending topics. So either if you are an artist or an illustrator, you can create your own designs, or if you currently or if you don't have talent in those areas, you can simply just create designs that are timely or that are related to the time that we are now, or relating topics that we have right now, or trending designs. So you can use the trending designs that are already existing, or you want to create art with, or you can just simply use your own designs that you created yourself on a editing platform or in Canva. So here I'll just click on add image. I just went right back to the platform, or on the left side panel, just click on add image, and then you can just look for the design that you created through Canva. here. Okay, just click on that design. So I'll just choose this one here. So this is how it will look like once you open that specific image into your design. So you can just resize by dragging the corner buttons, and there you have it, for to make sure that it would fit into the cutout templates that will be used when creating or when printing that specific product. So let's add another design here. Make sure that it would match the other pair. So just click on open and then wait for it to load, and then here you can just drag and drop that image and then paste it. So what I'll do here is that I'll just move it upwards a little to make sure that it seems like connected, but they have different designs for this. Here, so you can click on preview. These are the two buttons on the bottom. This will show you how the product will look like with your design on it. So you just need to wait for it to load. This may take a while. And there you have it. As you can see, that's how your product will look like on the slide itself with the design that you created. So you can actually have a lot of views like front or the back part of the slides or the side or left or right side. You can definitely look into that as well. Just click on this arrow, drop down arrow, and then there you can see how it looks like. And just click on right and then left, and there you have it. So once you're done, you can definitely choose color or what color background do you want for your product. So you can just check, or you can just leave it as is with white. So once done, you can also proceed to the next part where you will be setting the price of your product. Currently, it's priced at $33.99, $33.99 rather, where it's quite short for a profit. So let's raise it to $49.99. And then here you can also set what feature or what view of the product we wish to feature on our online store. And then here was you just need to click on continue, and then you can also view the product details as well on what material are being used and what are the sizes available. So just click on continue here, and you will be routed into this page where you can also add your design into other products as well. So you can input it to a mug design or a hoodie, sweater, classic tees, comfort tees, classic long sleeve tees. So a lot of designs that you can add, but I'll just leave it as is with the slide itself. So just click on continue, and when you click on continue, you will be creating the product title, the product description, and the details as well. So just wait for it to load. This may take a while. Here, so once we click on continue, this is the page that we will be routed to. Just click on create new listing, or you can simply add it to a listing if you already had a product that you want this to add into a specific listing that you created previously. So you can add a title, and then you can just input the description. Make sure it's no more than 250 characters for you to be able to launch the specific listing. Here, just wait for it to load. So I'll just edit or remove a few informations here on my product description. Okay, once done, I will just click on launch listing, and then you just wait for it to load, and Teespring will automatically launch your product into your account. Here, as you can see, they're preparing your listing. You just need to wait for this to process. And there you have it. As you can see, they're now congratulating you for creating or listing a product for the first time, and this is now active, and that's how you do it. So for you to sell this even more, you can update or activate your online store. Make sure that it has an active domain that is being used, so that you will be able to gain profit from the specific product that you have designed for you to sell. So you can go into your store that's on the left side panel of the screen, and when you are routed to it, you can view on what are the things that you need to update into your store. And this is also where you will be able to preview on how your product will look like in your online store here at teespring.com. And that's about it. That's how you will be creating your or making money here on Teespring with print on demand. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.